know some wishing that I would fall. Album is about love, do I hate niggas? Hell no. Getting really high, bumping Dilla to J-Rock. I fuck with my own shit, bumping it at Race Spot. Delmar Boulevard with my little brother A-Dot. Doing my own thing, not caring what they got. I'm not like you, I'm from the gray area. Black and white is starting to be the gay area. It's getting way scarier when they trying to bury ya. I love it when I overcame all barriers. Afraid of death like everybody else. So until then I paint music till it's heartfelt. Woke up this morning with a doobie in the ashtray. Your rhyme pattern just passed away. Bet you $1 million your ass won't get no ass today. Just that joint that just made your ass mad today. This the last joint, so it won't get past today. Make niggas grit they teeth like a tooth decay. I rep the arch, who the fuck you kidding? I still call it the Sears Tower, fuck calling it Willis. On the 57th floor, big desk cold chillin'. At the end of the day, Vic Spencer gon' kill it. Feel it. I don't feel it. And it's all good though. You know what I mean? I know that shit crazy, man. I just showed you what I can do, and I ain't even from the show me state. I'm from where that wind blow, and I blow that sticky icky, baby. Yeah.